Good morning. Happy Saturday. Let's take a quick peek at NVDA. So our monthly trend line it's sitting for December, it's sitting about this 140 area, which we've been talking about 140 for a while now. So if we break 140, then we have broken out of this trend line that we've been holding now since August. So if we get that break lower, I'm going to be looking at this support level right here as a potential bounce zone, 124. We could bounce before then for sure, but if we make our way down here, I will probably start adding into those leap positions again. Looking at the weekly chart, our weekly trend line down here sits about 132. We did break the smaller one right here, so we could kind of keep pulling back and then head on down to this trend line. And if you look left, right here is the trend line, but look what else is right here. At that 132, we have a nice weekly support right there. So that could, again, be another bounce zone to be mindful of. Looking at the daily chart, you can see that we've been staying inside this range for quite a while. We need over 150 or under 140 to get more direction. If we stay between the 140 and that 150 range, it can kind of just stay choppy. You can treat it as support and resistance, but let's see. Earnings gave us a nice push higher, but we could not hold. And NVIDIA has been up here for a really long time, so it may just be time for it to get a little bit of pullback. Let's see if we can push next week or if we pull on back. Looking at the 4-hour, we've been in this rising wedge for a while. Typically, it means we're going to break and go lower. So our lower trend line sits about 140.50. That 140 is a pretty strong level when you see it in multiple different time frames as well. So our upper trend line is 153.70. Let's just see where we go from here. We definitely have some chop areas on the way down to be mindful of. Here's that 132 area, this little chop zone right here. And then this one heading on down is going to be that 130 to 123 range. So we've got some areas of chop to get through should we go ahead and break that 140. Let's just see level to level if NVIDIA is going to get a little bit of a pullback, if it's getting a little weaker, or if we can actually push higher moving forward.